Oh, assalamu alaikum. Welcome my another vlog. Now I am in Dubai Maritime City. This is the entrance gate. This is the tunnel. We are coming here from Dera, and this is a nice city. Government make the big area. When I came here, my wish I want to do fishing here. It's very nice location. Fishing is my hobby. Dubai Maritime City DP World Company. Assalamualaikum. Welcome my another vlog. Now I am in Dubai Maritime City. This is a new area. This is a Maritime Business Center for shipping, all type of business here. Here this is rig ship for oil searching. This is the beside the dry dock area. This Maritime City is beside from the dry dock area. It's a very nice and good location. Okay. This is also another rig ship. There are 3 rig ships available. See the Burj Khalifa. This rig ship is now anchoring position. There are so many workshop, ship repairing company. And this is the gate 1 with this Maritime Business Center. They are showing Maritime Business Center. Okay. Very nice location. Before this area was in sea area, then government filling this area, soil filling, and then make a project, make a big area. This is Maritime City, Dubai Maritime City, and this location is neat and clean and arranged. So many company office here. This is like a free zone. This is control from Prison Port Customs and Prison Corporation, Dubai Maritime City Authority. We are coming here for our a big project for electrical works. We are doing here is a big accommodation building and installation, testing, commissioning. First fix, second fix, and third fix. Also some maintenance works. It's a big area and a nice area. Dubai Maritime City, dry dock area, and so many workshops here. Mubarak Group. This company, Premier Logistics Shipping, they make their office, and the shed is like a ship. It's very nice looking. They have the workshop. They are shipbuilders. The shipbuilders and ship repairing company. They are making ship. Okay. Premier Marine Engineer Services. Very nice. Shipbuilders and ship making, tugboat, lighter ship, cargo ship. This is the maintenance, they're doing maintenance. Queen Mary. It's a dry dock area. Grand World is also big company. Grand World ship repairing company. Big shipbuilders company, Grand World Shipbuilders. Also so many company available. Ship repairing and shipbuilding company, tugboat, lighter jars, other things. Here also one rig ship. This is the rig ship. Available workshop, marine workshop here. All are workshop.